I, Vijay Victor, welcome you, my dear class 10 students, again in the maths period. And today I'm going to explain some question by using 3D model made by clay. Protein आप समझते हैं plasticine. I will use this plasticine to explain some very interesting questions, which these questions are asked in 3D form. So I'll try to transform that questions in my model and to explain it. See question number 8. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and the same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. You have given, now here, I make this model. Suppose you have given a solid cylinder. This is the solid cylinder. You can watch, this is the solid cylinder. What is the measurement of the solid cylinder? Height is 2.4 centimeter. Height कितना है इसका? 2.4. And the diameter is
1.4 centimeter.
From this one, a conical cavity, a cone has been hollowed out. अब इसमें से मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ बच्चों, एक कोन को मैं कट करके और ये प्लास्टिसिन से मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ निकालने के लिए. एक कोन इज hollowed out, and what is the condition of the cone? Then the diameter of the cone and height of the cone is same as equal to the height of the cylinder. ठीक है? अब देखिए बच्चों, now I have hollowed out a cone from it. दिख रहा है? Then the diameter of the circular base of the cone is equal to the diameter of the cylinder, and the height of the cone is equal to height of the cylinder. Now in this condition, this is the 3D model of this question. Of which question? From a solid cylinder of height 2.4 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity has been hollowed out. उसमें से निकाल दिया गया. What is the condition of this cone? That the diameter of the cone is equal to the diameter of the cylinder, and the height of the cone is equal to height of the cylinder. Now it is very easy to understand you. To find out the total surface area of this one. For total surface area, the lateral surface area of that cylinder is intact. उसमें कुछ भी परिवर्तन नहीं हुआ. So to find out the total surface area, that is equal to lateral surface area of cylinder plus this one plus one circular base of the cylinder, because from other cone has been cavity of. And now for this cone, which area we need to find? Total surface area. Lateral surface area. Why? Because lateral surface is very good. Very good similar. Why lateral surface area? Because there is no circular base ना. यहाँ ध्यान से देखिए बच्चों, इस फिगर को देखिए, यहाँ जो अंदर दिखाई दे रहा है, ये कौन दिखाई दे रहा है? इसको लिए हमको कौन सा सरफेस एरिया निकालना है? तो लैटरल सरफेस एरिया के लिए हमको क्या निकालना पड़ेगा बच्चों? L फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा ना. Now from this model it is very clear, crystal clear, that what area we need to find. How we can find the total surface area? Means total surface area is equal to lateral surface area of cylinder plus area of the circular base plus lateral surface area of the cone. इस फिगर से क्लियर हो गया बच्चों?
Yes sir.
Now coming to the board. अब इस मॉडल की जरूरत नहीं है बच्चों. एक बार मैं फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर दे रहा हूँ. From a solid cylinder of height 2.4 centimeter and a cone has been, देखो ये this cone has been hollowed out. देखो बच्चों, इसको मैं कैमरा के नजदीक ला रहा हूँ. A cone has been hollowed out of the same height and of the same diameter. So in this case, the total surface area is equal to lateral surface area of the cylinder plus area of circular base plus lateral surface area of the cone. Now here in the pictorial form ऐसे निकालेंगे पिक्चर देखिए this is one dimensional figure. This is one dimensional figure. Your height is given 2.4 centimeter, diameter is given 1.4 centimeter, and a cone is hollowed out. तो इससे शायद आपको उतना समझ में नहीं आता बच्चों, ठीक है ना? Here the radius is equal to 1.4 upon 2, that is equal to 0.7 centimeter, and height is equal to 2.4 centimeter. So what will be the L? L is equal to h square plus r square. What is the h? 2.4 square plus 2.4 is equal to 5.76 and that is equal to 0.49. इसको ऐड करोगे तो कितना आएगा बच्चों? 6.25 स्क्वायर करने का कितना आएगा? 9 6 15 7 4 11 ले 12 5 और 1 6 625 का कितना होता है स्क्वायर रूट? 0.5 हो जाएगा हमारा 2. Sorry, that is equal to 2.5. Now the required surface area is equal to, please say, the first one is that lateral surface area of the LSA of cylinder plus
circular base
area of circle, means circular base of the cylinder plus this one. ये दिखा फिर से, that is equal to LSA of cone. So lateral surface area of cylinder is equal to pi r h. Area of circle is equal to pi r square, and then that is pi r. Then here we can take pi r as common, that is equal to 2h plus r plus h. So here h is given, what is the h? 2.4 centimeter. R is given 0.7 and h is given 6. Now we are able to solve this question?
Yes, sir.
You understood?
Yes, sir.
So this 3D model help you to understand this question or not? पहले बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Now I think that you will never forget this question
Yes,
in your life, because by 3D model you can see all aspects, all dimensions of this question, length or breadth or height or कैसे हुआ, ठीक है? So my dear students, please note it down and God bless you. I'll explain next question again by this 3D model. Thank you.